is Friday the 13th, which is a day that we've collectively learned to fear or consider unlucky. But long before this superstition began, 13 was the number of the feminine. There are 13 lunar cycles in a year. Female body bleeds roughly 13 times annually. Ancient priestess traditions honored 13 women in sacred circle. In Egyptian mythology, there were 13 Hathors. The ancient lunar calendar followed 13 months, which honored the rhythms of the moon versus the sun. The number 13 represents life, death, rebirth, and the mystery of the womb. When patriarchal systems rose to power, anything that was tied to the feminine, the cyclical, intuition, was slowly reframed as something we should fear. So tomorrow, instead of fearing Friday the 13th, let's remember what it actually represents, which is the ancient wisdom of the feminine. And in honor of Friday the 13th and in honor of the sacred feminine, all of my courses and my one-on-ones are going to be 13% off until Monday.